I'm Matthew Gilbert, the Head of Active Travel and Placemaking at Transport for Wales. We're at a really exciting time at Transport for Wales at the moment in terms of active travel. We are doing a lot of work with Welsh Government to encourage local authorities to develop and deliver more active travel infrastructure across Wales. We've got a fundamental role in terms of the Active Travel Fund programme. We're looking at rolling out enhanced cycle parking facilities across our stations estate as part of the CVL and the Wales and Cross Borders networks. So we're looking at trying to encourage that integration of journeys between active travel and public transport. And more broadly, we're looking at opportunities that can encourage more people to get more active. And I think e-bikes as an opportunity is something that we're really keen to try and look at what we can do to support that. And it's really trying to create that integrated transport network that makes it easier for people to make a choice that isn't the car that's on their driveway, or if they're thinking of buying a second car, to give them other alternatives and basically make that modal shift away from fossil fuels towards more sustainable forms of transport. So we've been doing some work here today with Sustrans to promote e-bikes and to make people aware of e-bikes as an alternative to the private car. And we're certainly keen to work not only as an organisation here but in partnership with others, particularly people like Sustrans, to see what we can do to make it easier for people to make those everyday journeys by walking and cycling in Wales.
So my name is Charlie and I work for Sustrans. So Sustrans does all sorts of things. So primarily they look after the National Cycle Network. They do active journeys, so lots of work with schools. My particular role is we work with the Healthy Travel Charter, so organisations such as Transport for Wales. I'm helping support them in their journey with active travel and trying to encourage more and more people to consider it as a means of travel.